Hello, how are you? This is Tugs from Milam, Mazda and Truck Country. Wanted to make a walk-around video of the Dodge Dart that you were interested in. Sorry, it's a handheld iPad, so the camera might be a little bit shaky. But I will show you the exterior all around, and I'll get inside and show you the interior real quick. Really nice car, well taken care of. Dodge Dart Limited with a backup camera. It's a real nice color too. So, there you go. Now let me get inside and show you the interior. There you go. You got your leather seats, power windows, power seats. There you go. 76,000 miles. Here's all the way around. Show you the back. Big, very big moonroof. So, there you go. Thanks again for your interest. Let us know when you'll be in to check it out in person.